Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sand readers of Sophie game crashing, crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem, or freezing issue on PC. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. First fix is restart Steam, restart your PC. So click on this word Steam, click on exit. This will exit Steam and then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, restart your PC once. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2, modify game launch options. You can try -dx11 or -dx12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on sand game, select properties. In the launch options, first type -dx11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, again go to the game properties and this time type -dx12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to run the game from game installation folder, run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on sand, select manage, click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now first double click the sand exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you can also double click sand bexe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on sand exe file and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder by double clicking the sand exe file and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then also check mark run this program in compatibility mode from drop down select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, from drop down select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then I'll tick all these 3 boxes. Just uncheck all these 3 boxes, hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to update your graphic card driver. NVIDIA users can open their NVIDIA app and update your graphic card driver. AMD user can open AMD Adrenal software and update their graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then in Windows search type NVIDIA app and open the NVIDIA app. Then go to driver sections and then click on check for updates icon. And if there are any updates available, then you will see download button. So download it and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 5, Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type of Windows security and open it. Now click on virus and threat protection, scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection, click on allow an app through control folder access, click yes to allow, click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, browse to game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files, x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the sand game folder, select this sand exe file, click open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, select this sand underscore bexe file and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding it, go back. Click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then browse to the game installation folder, open the sand game folder, select sand exe file and then click on open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Again click on browse, select sand underscore bexe file, click open and then click on add. In my case it is also added. After adding it, click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus program such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EST, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program and then go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 6 is to verify the game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on sand game, select properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphic settings and open it. Click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the sand game folder, select the sand exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it and next to GPU preference, select high performance. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then follow the fix 8. fix it is to set high performance in NVIDIA Control Panel app. So in Windows search, type NVIDIA Control Panel and then open the NVIDIA Control Panel app. Then click on Manage 3D Settings. Then go to the Program Settings and then click on Add. And from the list, select SAND and then click on Add Selected Programs. Now, if you don't see the SAND in the list over here, then click on Browse and then browse to the game installation folder. So open the SAND game folder, select the SAND exe file and then click on Open. After adding it, from the drop down here, select High Performance NVIDIA Processor, then hit on Apply to save the changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Expand advanced graphic settings. Here you will see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Just turn it off. And after turning it off, you have to restart your PC for this change to take effect. So just restart your PC, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if it is already turned off, then turn it on and then restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to rename or delete the SAND readers of Sophie saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the saved game progress and saved settings. So if you want, then you can keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to rename or delete the SAND readers of Sophie saved game folder. So open File Explorer, open C drive, open Users folder, open your username folder, then open the App Data folder. Now if you don't see App Data folder over here, click on this view, so and check mark hidden items. Then open the App Data folder, then open the local low folder, and here look for holograph folder. Here it is, open it. And here you will see the SAND saved game folder. First right click on it and then copy it, then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. Now right click on it and then either select rename it or delete it. So if you want to rename, then click on rename and then rename it to .old, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix tool is to disable Steam overlay. So open Steam, go to library, right click on SAND, select properties, and here you will see the option enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then launch the game and check. Fix setting is to set graphic settings to medium low if able to launch the game. So if you're able to launch the game, then look for the graphic settings within the in-game settings and then set it to medium or low, and then play the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 14 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on Check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And then just restart your PC once again. And after PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall SAND Raiders of Sophie game from your PC, then restart your PC, and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing into another SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve SAND Raiders of Sophie game crashing, crashes to desktop, crashes at startup, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.